This video is the special instructions for lead capture page 1. And when you get this inside your editor, whatever headline that you want to make, just keep in mind that these pages are mobile optimized, so it's not always going to be what you see is what you get. In other words, this line right here might not drop down when you're looking at it on the web page. And an easy way to tell is if you left click on this little triangle down here, you can pull and watch how that changes like that. So if you want to pull that wide to help you know exactly what your copy is going to look like, you can do that, but just play around with it. If a line is in the wrong place or something, all you have to do is just come over here and knock it down. All right, so that's easy enough. Now, if you want to highlight this picture, this is really cool. Obviously, you can go online and find a pic about that size, upload it to your system, and you just want to make sure that the size is 790. That's going to make it fit perfectly inside here. And you'll notice if I click on the pic icon, 790. Okay, and when you put your pic in there, it'll automatically adjust the height accordingly. Okay, so let me show you something really cool about swapping these pics. We actually went out and found a bunch of these type of pics for you that you can put in here that have a play button on it. So check this out. I'm going to click on image. I'm going to click on browse server, custom library, and if I scroll down to the bottom, look at this. I've got other pics that I can use, and they're all right down here next to each other. Okay, so take a look at these here. There's some great pics here that you can use for your pages. In fact, one of the examples that I did, I actually used this pic right here of the gal, and that example was right here. Okay, and this, watch this video text, that's actually an image, and let me show you where that is. That is, click on the pic icon again, browse server, custom library, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to notice right here on the bottom right is the one that says watch this video. If you look real carefully, you can actually see what the text says. Now, if you wanted to change the text inside the button, because this particular button is not an image, so you can change the text inside that button to say anything you want. And it's real simple. All you've got to do is search for the words, click here inside the source, and it's going to bring you right to the spot where you can change that. I'll show you that really quick. Click on source, Control F on your keypad for Windows, and now I'm going to type in click here, and you'll notice that that brought me right to the place where I can change that text on the button. What works the exact same way is when you go to the page and you click on the button and this form field appears, you can change any of this text. All you have to do is search for it in the source, and that's very, very simple to change. And finally, if you want to look at the examples, they're right below the template there, and you can see the 2 examples that I made from this template. So that's it for this video. Have fun creating.